Good morning, everyone. It's been a little while. I've missed you guys. I went into the classroom Thursday and Friday and I was cleaning and I cleaned up all the things in the classroom. So we're back for a few more days before some summer vacation time. So let's do our calendar. Let's do our rule song. Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Nice work. Let's get right to work. Let's do the days of the week first. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job. Yesterday was Sunday. What's today? Today is Monday. Good. Can you tell me the day of the week? Good, it's Monday. Great work. Let's click on the box. Great job. So now let's do the months of the year. There are 12 months in the year, right? And we always start with January when we start with the first month. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. What's the month? The month is June. Can you tell me what's the month? June. Good job. What letter does June start with? J, right? J for jump, J for June, and you know what? J for July, which is next month. All right. So the day of the week is Monday. The month is up here, it's June. And let's do some counting now on our calendar. We're going to start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What comes next? 15. 15 looks like this. Okay, if we counted by fives to 15, it would look like this. 5, 10. What comes next? 15. So let's put the 15 here. 1 and a 5. Wow, we counted by fives to 15. Great work. All right, I'm gonna keep going here. Let's talk about a few special days. First, let's plug in this missing day of the week. Sunday, Monday. We talked about that. Slide it in. Okay, what number was this again? 15. Okay, so if we're talking about number order, 12, 13, 14, 15 comes next. Good. Great. So let's talk about some special days. We're going to put some stars on the special days, okay? So the special day this week is Wednesday, June 17th. That's the last day of school for a little while. Then it's a little bit of summer break. Let's talk about another special day in June. The 20th, spring is all done. It's summer on the 20th. That's special. On the 21st, there's Father's Day. So you can celebrate a father in your life, or a man like a grandfather or a papa that's very important and special to you. So let's put the star there. All right, awesome. So we went through a few special days. The last day of school, the season when it turns summer, and Father's Day. Great job. All right, let's go to this picture and let's do Weather Watcher. Ready? Weather Watcher, Weather Watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? Okay, I'm going to look out my window. Hold on. Looking. Okay. So I see it's today. Is it snowy outside? No. Is it raining? No. You can see the sun in Miss Amanda's house, right? It's not raining. I would say today, right now, it's partly sunny. So I see some clouds and I see the sun. The weather today is partly cloudy. Good. The temperature today. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, right now, the temperature is 57. And then that sign is called a degrees. 57 degrees. So that feels to me 57. I would say 57 is maybe cool. I would say warm is 60. So 57, 58, 59, 60. We're about 3 degrees away from warm. So I'll say it's cool right now. I might wear a sweatshirt if I went outside. So if it's cool, I might want to wear a sweatshirt, right? I might want to wear pants. Or if it's cool, I could wear pants and a t-shirt, like that, and maybe throw on some cool shoes. Sneakers. That looks like a nice outfit. All right, let's do the seasons. Ready? 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. So we talked over here. Is it summer yet? No, it's not summer yet, right? Here's the 15th. We are here. Summer starts here. So what's the season? The season is spring. Good. Let's put that up there. All right, that's awesome, you guys. So let's do the whole date. Get ready. Help me say it. Today is Monday. What's the month? June. What was that number? 15th, right? 2020. The weather today is partly sunny. The temperature today is cool, 57 degrees. And the season is spring. And we talked about the clothes a little today, right? The clothes you can wear is t-shirt, maybe pants, and a sneaker. All right, friends. You did a great job for calendar. Today I'm going to do a video about how to make some bubbles. So I sent a little recipe for bubbles. You can follow along with me if you want. So I'll post that this afternoon. All right, have a great morning. Bye, friends.